Don't throw away that artichoke heart. It can grow into something breathtaking in your backyard. Plant the crown just 2 inches deep. Roots down, flat side up, soil packed gently around it. A deep first watering wakes up the sleeping crown. Watch the soil drink it all in. Day 12, and just beneath the surface, something incredible is already pushing through. Day 30, those first leaves are reaching outward, bold and hungry for every ray of sunlight. Day 75, this backyard corner has completely transformed into a lush, thriving artichoke plant. Day 120, the first bud is rising. This is the moment every gardener waits for. Harvest day, and one secret tip makes every future artichoke grow faster and twice as strong.